This video will show you how to assemble and disassemble the walk-through metal detector. Note, if you only want to learn how to disassemble the walk-through metal detector, please skip ahead to the next chapter. The walk-through metal detector assembles quickly, and there are no tools required. Remove the transport straps and confirm all pieces are present. Place the two interchangeable base units across from one another. Place the control unit on top of the two bases to confirm your bases are evenly and properly spaced. Once confirmed, remove the control unit. Before assembling the walls, ensure the bases are level and stable enough to support the construction. Extend the outrigger and rotate the foot so it rests on the ground. Repeat the steps for each outrigger. Note, there are two types of panels. When facing the exit, the white labeled panels should be on the left side, and the red labeled panels should be on the right side. When inserting panels into the base units, avoid putting stress on the joints to keep the panels parallel and straight. As you attach each panel, fasten the draw latches. Repeat these steps until all panels are attached. Place the control unit on top, ensuring that the LED display is facing the exit. Note, if you are not tall enough to place the control panel on top of the columns, please use a ladder or step stool. Then, fasten the draw latches on the control panel. Now push the outriggers back into the base. The assembly is now complete. To disassemble the walk-through metal detector, power off the metal detector. Extend the outriggers on the bases, undo the latches, and remove the control unit. Lay out the transport straps on the ground. Place the control unit on top of the straps with the wheel side down. Disassemble the remaining panels and set them aside. Reinsert the outriggers into the bases. Place the bases on top of the control panel, and then place the panels on top of the bases, with the cones facing the direction of the wheels. Confirm that each panel's notch attaches to the stacked panel. Buckle the wheels side straps first with the foam cups covering the top three panels' cones. Then, buckle the side straps over the top of the panels. Finally, buckle the remaining straps to secure the foam cups. Tighten all straps and place the cord bag on the stacked row of panels. To charge the walk-through metal detector, use the Y cable supplied to connect into both bases. Connect the AC adapter to an outlet. Also, you can use the metal detector right away by powering the unit on and connecting an individual cord into one of the bases. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.